Hey everyone, Aza here. Welcome to my channel. Today let's explore a snowy day in Stanley Park, Vancouver, Canada. First stop is Lost Lagoon. As you enter Stanley Park from Georgia Street, Lost Lagoon is a stunning body of water. A walk around Lost Lagoon is 1.8 km and about 30 minutes short walk. Please keep watching. We are going to visit a hidden gem in Stanley Park together. Here you can see a cute snowman with a mask, a showcase of pandemic time. Here we are at Cathedral Trail. Let's enjoy a relaxing walk in Stanley Park. Now we are at Third Beach, backed by tree and Stanley Park seawall. A sandy beach perfect for sunset view. Here we are at first lookout. As you can see, it has an amazing view of whole harbor. But let's continue to see our hidden gem in Stanley Park. Let's go. Here we are, up on the cliff overlooking Saibai Rock, an ideal spot to admire this scenery. A great lookout point has a stunning view of North Shore and Seaball Pass and Harbor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.